You are a Mite, right? And you follow SANAMAHISM. Do you ever learn the spiritual meaning of holy symbol of SANAMAHISM? Yes, Lining Thou Sanamahi has a spectacular holy symbol shown here, called Ama the One, found in Wakalon Hilal, Thilal, Salai, Amaiton, Pokok Puya, popularly known as Wakalon Puya.
The symbol is the composite concept of the 5 elements of universe: the fire, water, air, earth, and space, with me the universal life force, spirits, the Almighty Godfather. So dear brother and sisters, let's embrace our rich culture and traditions of our forefathers. Nong mata pakpa machana, mini shiva haunada, ornamite diamite.